Let's take a brief look at this preference schedule. This preference schedule is about who should give the commencement speech at graduation. Should it be Will Ferrell, Bill Cosby, Bill Murray, or Steve Martin? 9 people voted this way, 8 people voted this way, and 3 people voted this way. So let's analyze the results. Who would be the plurality winner? Remember, whoever has the most first place votes wins the election. So if we're going to look here, Will Ferrell, he has 9 votes. Bill Cosby has 8 first place votes, and Steve Martin has 3. And there's no other first place votes. So whoever has the most first place votes wins. Well, that would be Will Ferrell. So under the plurality method, Will Ferrell would have the most first place votes, and he would be the winner of the election. But let's look at this a little bit further. How many first place votes are there for Bill Cosby? Well, there are 8. He has 8 first place votes. There's 8 votes. How many second place votes for Bill Cosby? Well, let's look here. Bill Cosby has 9 second place votes here, second choice. He has 9 there. And then he has 3 over there. So 9 plus 3 would equal 12. So he has 12 second place votes. So he has 8 first place votes and 12 second place votes. Let's look at this one. How many last place votes for Will Ferrell? Well, if we look here, Will Ferrell has 8 last place votes and another 3 last place votes here. So 8 plus 3 is 11. He has 11 last place votes. So what's wrong here? When we're trying to find the winner of the election, what we're trying to do is we're trying to find the voice of all of the voters. If we're looking at the voice here, I would say that the voice, even though under the plurality method, whoever has the most first place votes wins, Will Ferrell is a winner. There's 9 people who wanted him first, but there's 11 people who that's their last choice. So, and if we look at Bill Cosby, there's 8 people who would like him first, and 12 people who would be happy with him as their second choice. Yeah. And so, if we're looking for the voice of the group, I think it's obvious that Bill Cosby is the voice of this group. And so even though the plurality method, when you just look at the first place votes, whoever has the most first place votes wins, taking into consideration all of this other information here, that is very, very important at coming at the voice of the group. And when we don't look at this, sometimes we can come up with in a situation like this where we're even though, yes, Will Ferrell did win, we're not delivering the voice of the group. And that's why other voting methods were put forth, that board account method, the plurality with elimination, and the pairwise comparison method, which are the methods that we are going to be discussing. Those methods take into all of this information, not just the top line, but everything that's going in here in hopes to find the voice of the voters.